Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zendesk ticket data tied to no-code support apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin icon located on the left sidebar. Click on the Apps section to view your installed applications. Identify the no-code support app you want to backup. Check the app settings for any export or backup options. If available, follow the prompts to export your ticket data. Choose the file format most suitable for your needs. If the app does not support direct export, consider using an integration tool. Explore integration options with platforms like Zapier or Integromat. Set up a workflow that allows you to automate ticket data retrieval. Connect your Zendesk account to the chosen integration tool. Configure the trigger to pull ticket data at regular intervals. Select the destination for the exported data, such as Google Sheets or Airtable. Run the integration workflow to collect ticket data. Manually check the destination to ensure data accuracy. For a more comprehensive backup, consider utilizing Zendesk's API. Access the Zendesk developer portal to obtain API credentials. Create an API script in your preferred programming language. Utilize the API to pull ticket data in JSON or CSV format. Save the generated file securely on your local machine or cloud storage. Consider setting a regular backup schedule to maintain updated records. Review your backup process periodically for efficiency and accuracy. Ensure compliance with any data protection regulations relevant to your organization. Document your backup process for future reference and training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.